seriously, y'all, when it comes to hair, some of y'all gotta stop projecting onto others. And yes, I have time today. What's up, good cousins? What's going on? How your mom and them doing? Yes, I'm getting ready to do a fail of a flat twist. And I said, you know what? This will be the perfect moment to just sit down and chit chat with my cousins, because we have to talk about things to really see the joy that it brings. Okay, so 2026 has definitely been the year of the protective style slander. I've seen so much this year. You know, you see a little bit here and there over the years. But this year, baby, honey boo boo. Yes, that is a great way to, catapult a platform. Some things just catapult platforms better than others. And honey, if you want to get real good and ignorant as far as your viewership, there's a few things you can do. And one of those things is to talk about how trash protective styles are. Now listen, y'all know me. One thing about me is I do not judge the way that people style their hair. I think that is very silly. Don't argue with me, argue with the wall. That is not going to change. In the reality of the situation is there are so many things that we should be really up in arms about that's going on in the world today, and I refuse to put how somebody styles their hair as one of them, y'all. I'm just not willing to do that. You are more than welcome if that's what you want to do. It's just not me. Okay, so my whole foundation is going to be different in that regard. I think we should have, especially Black women, you guys, because nobody else is crucified for their hairstyling choices. Everybody gets to wake up and decide, ooh, I want to do this with my hair today. I want to style my hair. Listen, and that freedom is there and that expression is there. And Black women are some of the most expressive, creative, innovative people on this here planet Earth. And for something that you love so much, like y'all know, I went to school for, I love hairstyling. I love the concept of sculpting the hair. Like, y'all, it gets so deep with when it's a passion of yours, or if it's just something that you enjoy. It sucks that you are expected to be in this box to make somebody else feel comfortable, when in reality you may have wanted to do this or you may have wanted to do that. I just don't, I don't subscribe to that. I'm not going to subscribe to that, okay? That's why I say what I say. It's a safe space over here. You've ever wanted to try something, try it. Tell me about it. How did it go? Hey, maybe I'll try too. I don't know. It's the freedom to do what we want with our hair over here. And even as I say it, it sounds like, girl, you have to say that, but I do. There's just so much judgment out there when it comes to hairstyling and what we do. And some folks really just out here trying to make it for real and may not have the time to even sit down and try to understand hair science and all of the things. And they're just trying to get by. And listen, it's alright. Sister Bernice, you ain't got to be out here talking about folk all the time. People have their own reasons. You know what's so crazy? I grew up in like the hype hair era, and I used to look at those magazines and like the waterfalls and the French rolls and all the pieces. And I used to not only attend, but I was a part of like fantasy hair competitions where you would use the most, oh my goodness. I saw some of the most creative hairstyles that I have ever seen in my entire life, up still to this day. Unmatched. And that freedom to do that was there. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, the 90s, that era just speaks to me so much, but I was young in the 90s. I wasn't able to, do all the things, and you know what I'm saying? I was just young. So, but I grew up watching those ladies and really get done up, and with the nails and the jewelry and the earrings, and man, I used to be like, oh my god, just that fly girl era. So I come from that era. So I really love the fact that we can be expressive with our hair or makeup or fashion, all of those things. I think we should be able to do, right? But again, there's always, sometimes it's not that deep. Let me say that. Sometimes it is not that deep. Some people are just very creative, people that like to do different things. Protective styling is one. We got to get to the point to where we stop putting our hair goals on other people. For instance, I have lost count how many times I have cut my hair. Why? Because I love short hair. We got to stop assuming everybody wants their hair to look like Rapunzel. First and foremost, that's not everyone's goal. Now, when I'm doing certain styles work better for me and my platform. If I have a little scoop full of hair, if I got, so I'll grow it out, do all the things, but I'll get that yearning after a couple years, y'all. And I'll be like, and don't let me see like a real fly, finger wave pixie in burgundy. The shears, it may be close. It may be close. Now, I may get to the point, and it may be this point. I don't know. I may get to the point where I just grow my hair out or continue to grow it out if that's what I want to do. Like, my hair was it was a lot shorter than this not too long ago, and it has grown out very quickly. And y'all know my platform is Protective Styles. So it has grown very quickly while protective styling. So yes, protective styling can work if you are taking care of your hair. That's with anything. That is with any style that you do, whether it's protective style, whether it is silk presses. Some people grow their hair out with silk presses. That's what they say. To me, I had to learn what the silk press was and what the heat is doing and what it is activating. There is science behind so many things. I'm not finna knock nothing, because if I see your hair has grown and all you've been doing is silk presses, then that's what, 1 and 1 is 2. I'm not gonna argue with you if that's what you say, and I'm not in your house, baby. You better silk press, honey. Now I'm gonna tell you something. I got a silk press one time and one time only, and that scarred me. It scarred me, baby, because when I tried to wash my hair after that, and my Cuzzietta was not pleased. Cuzzietta was like, girl, don't you remember when Kirk Franklin was talking to his baby? Y'all, that was not funny. It was just the way Kirk went real black parent on us on that phone call. Don't you ever. That's how Cuzzietta was, and Cuzzietta is my hair, y'all. That's how she was with me. Don't do that. And I've never done it again. It doesn't work for my hair, but I know somebody who gets silk presses all the time. And baby, you talking about hair is luxurious? Yes. So it is what it is. What works for one person may not work for the next. Okay. Let's just keep that in mind. Let's just keep that in mind as we move forward with these hairstyles and these conversations. Because if you wait long enough, sometimes when people be like, y'all need to stop with protective styles, y'all need to stop with braids, y'all need to stop with wigs, y'all need to stop with crochet, y'all need to stop, you might see them in some of these styles, which, hey, they got the right to do that. You see, you have to do you. That's what I'm telling you to do. Do you. Because at the end of the day, they gonna do them. Believe it. So do you. Be happy. Okay? If you want to go a different direction with your hair, get the education that you need, go a different direction with your hair. And then come and tell me about it, because I love to hear about y'all styling choices. Because, honey, I get jazzed. I get jazzed when I hear about it. That's how I get ideas. Y'all, yes. Let's just be better with doing us when it comes to our hair and let other folk do them. Let's go ahead and do that, y'all. Because anything else really it's really unnecessary. We done heard all the things. Listen, it's folks out here still rocking relaxers, and that's their business. And I know some of y'all punching the air behind that. Baby, I don't want that stress for your life. I really don't. So now you gotta let the people make the choice for how they want to govern themselves accordingly. Okay? All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.